He's a mechanical engineer with an MBA. He has also done his postgraduate in international business. He has 25 years of experience in business development and business promotion. Let us hear from him on the savings that can be obtained or maximizing profit, which is really the watchword for us, everyone. Please.
Good morning, everybody. And my special thanks to IPA Chennai chapter for giving this opportunity to present our company. Before me, there are presentations who focus on latest technologies in the machineries and then raw materials, and then very recently Manoj sir has presented his machineries also, it is an applications. I'm also going to talk about my company as well as our company's products. Our company is a very small company formed with small team players. This Harini MTech Mould, we formed this company in 2017 as a trader. In 2017, we imports machines and we started trading in India, specifically injection molding machines of brands, very prominent brands. Over a period, we started working on improving the profitability. Basically, any organization would like to improve its profitability through various operations. Majorly, we have to focus operation with the profitability. When I work with OEM K.M.R supplier, being in a business head, always my MD used to get a price increase from the customers. Our customers are OEMs. I was into automotive sectors. Almost 25 years, I used to stuff between my company and with my customers because every year they used to demand cost reduction. Whereas every year our company MD used to tell me to get a price increase. So I used to sandwich between these two pressures. So ultimately I end up with a lot of problems handling my customers as well as my own MD to resolve, because which is my key areas focus, main prime focus. So we actually after 3 years of training our business, we started thinking to give some application engineering through which we can improve the profitability. Basically, we import all our products from China, which I am going to showcase you for your reference. We have a strong network of our presence in all over India now. In last 2 years, after starting our business, we are able to get connect with many OEMs as well as Tier 1 customers. Out of which, in the last 2 years, we could able to successfully implement almost 80 injection mold clamp system, which is hydraulic mold clamp system. Since our operation in 23-24, we marketed about 878 million, which is 87 crores of value, and in 24-25 we are able to achieve around 928 million, which is 90 to 8 crores of rupees. And this year we are planning to target about 117 crores of business. This is all we are actually trading imports of components from China. Our major areas are injection molding machines, molds for the various segments, which is like take any molds for applications from thin wall, PET, preform, automotive components, or any molds we can able to bring the molds from China with, from concepts to design, development to perform in India. And also now we are working on this application engineering, which is hydraulic mold clamp systems as well as magnetic mold clamp systems, then quick pulling couplings as well as mold cleaning machines. These two topics I am going to explain and show the videos in detail. Basically, our technology partner is Sanxio Precision Machineries in China. This is hydraulic mold clamp system. Basically, this hydraulic mold clamp system is the replacement for die change in any injection moldings. Here you can see the big compartment, which is hydraulic molds pump unit, and these two are clamping systems. And then we are actually doing screw barrels, shut-off nozzles kind of products also. We are importing and we are selling it in India across nation. And this is about mold or heat exchanger descaler. This descaling machine is one of the main important machine. You can think about this machine for the complete cleaning your mold waterways, which is you must do as in a regular practice, but most of the companies don't do this waterways cleaning because of saying the no time, and for the regular shift they are facing a lot of issues with the problems, but they don't do any cleaning methodology. Actually, this video I am showing it to you, which is very recently I took this video where in which how the mold clamping system is used, so that you can get an idea how it gets operated also. If you look at this video, just now they lifted the mold and they are inserting the mold into the machine. Normally, for any mold change or a die change, it takes an hours and hours. Whereas here you can see in a just 2 minutes video. Originally, this mold change happened in 10.5 minutes. The entire mold change took 10.5 minutes. In a day, if you are supposed to change a mold or die, at least many frequency based on your production plan, it might take hours and hours. Maybe you have to lose a shift or something like that. But here you can see that that operator is doing it in just ease of operation. control clamp, it gets fitted with the mold base plate. With the machine units, which is EOMAP 70. Once it is being done, automatically it ensures the safety of the machine, so that it ensures there is no mold sliding as well as safety of the operators. This is about a mold descaler. This descaler we can operate either on mold or off mold system also. See how it gets cleaned up. These are the particles which are removed from the mold waterways. Here I am going to just show you the case study and its result. Here we have taken a few of segments. First segment is PET preform industry. Here we have taken a study about the product weight about 19 grams and the number of cavities 32 and its cycle time is 21 seconds. This is before descaling the mold. Once we descale, the cycle time is 19 seconds. Output per hour is 6063 and the consumption of raw material which goes up because of the productivity increase and net additional consumption is 11 kgs. Suppose if we take 15 rupees per kg, our productivity is about 165 rupees we are getting high, and per day if you take a 22 hours our profit will be around 3,600 rupees approximately. In a month, we can able to save about 94,000, of which we will be able to get in a year of 11.29 lakhs approximately, whereas this machine costs only 9 lakhs rupees, which means your return on investment is less than a year, which is about 9.56 month. Whereas in another case in tin wall industry, same product weight is 12 grams, number of cavities 2 and the cycle time before is 7. Once we reduce the cycle time at least 1 second, your productivity is increased as well as your profitability also getting increased, out of which we could able to get in a month 60,000 rupees as a savings, and then your return on investment is in less than 2 years, which is about 14 months. Suppose if you are in a jobber company, the cycle times of a product which is 45 seconds and the machine tonnage is 650, we are taken as a case study. Your output per hour will be 80 pieces and per month you would be able to produce 457.6 pieces. After cleaning, your machine cycle time gets reduced to 42 seconds. Where in which your excess productivity will reach up to 3,268 pieces, which means you are able to save 73 man hours, which is an effective, if you calculate, which is a 9 days in a month, you can able to save the productivity, which means almost 33% of your productivity is increasing in this calculation. Assume that if your tonnage of machine 650 and it is that is machine hour cost is 6,500 rupees. Your excess revenue will be around 59,000 rupees in a month, where in which you can get this return on investment in about 15 months. These are all our principals over in China. Kunshan Sanctuary Precision is for hydraulic mold clamps, for mold making, especially for furniture crates, MCB molds. For screw barrel shut-off nozzles is Ruthier Industries. And HK, it is a hand-feed globally is our mold cleaning machines supplier. Currently, we market the following products: hydraulic mold clamps, magnetic clamps, and towel clamps. Mold cleaning equipments, which is surface as well as cooling line. Then cooling channels, which is quick cooling channels, which is under pipeline. Screw barrel for IMM, which is horizontal vertical, and shut-off nozzle, which is spring type, hydraulic type, and pneumatic type. Also, we are actually in pipeline mold temperature controllers and auto controllers, and number of molds, as I explained to you already. We also undertake a complete projects for injection molding machines projects. Actually, if you wanted to set up a factory, we take from concept to your inauguration stage. Up to that, we can able to give a consultancy also. This is about details about our small team. We have 14 members of team, as I explained already. And with this team, we are able to get almost what I have explained today, and we are hoping to get better in the coming years. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vijayamurthy. Now the question conversation.
Thanks for the very interesting presentation. There was a reference to cooling channels. What is the name of the system being used, and what is the acronym, and what? Can you expand the name of it? There was a cooling system which was mentioned, cooling channel system.
Anyone? Yes. Excellent. Good.
Quick cooling coupling system. Quick cooling coupling system.
Yeah, correct answer.
Karthik and United Reserve.
Good, excellent.
Karthik United Reserve.
Good.
Karthik from United Industries. Sound of Salman. Congratulations.
We will have a question and answer session for the second session. So any questions with respect to the last 3 lectures, you are encouraged to ask whatever you feel.
Any questions?
Questions for Adhika, questions for Jemorian, questions for Harini and MTech.
My name is Bhaskaran. This question is to Adhika. The additives you mentioned for PPA, are they FDA approval or FDA compliance?
You are talking about the new product, I think, right? Yeah, it is some FDA regulation, FDA approval is still in progress. It is
FDA regulation is
still in progress. Yes.
My question is to Harini Mould. Yes, sir. This mold cleaning system you have mentioned, whether it will affect the it's by acid or what is the technology? Because we are very concerned about the mold corrosion or erosion, whatever it is.
Yes, sir. Of course, currently most of the people who cleans the mold with the chemical only. But as what we are giving is that is alkaline-based descaling agent, which is also a sort of chemical, but definitely it will not affect your mold either way of any erosion, corrosion, or whatever it is. We can submit you the MSDS also for this.
Can we have a demo at our factory?
Yeah, definitely, sir.
Thanks.
Sure. Post this session, our team will distribute our company pamphlets. You can reach us for any kind of inquiry as well as for any solution if you need it, we can come and work with you for giving us a best solution for that. We are bringing these products at a very affordable cost really it's a very nominal price for you to achieve your profitability increase. Thank you very much.
Any other?